Managing data across systems feels impossible, and that's where Informatica steps in. In 2025, Informatica is one of the leaders in enterprise data management. It helps companies integrate, clean, govern, and move data across cloud, apps, and databases. With tools for ETL, data quality, master data, and analytics, teams can trust their data instead of fighting it every day. What makes Informatica powerful is control. You get visibility, security, and automation at massive scale. The downside, it's built for serious organizations, so smaller teams may find setup complex and pricing heavy. But for enterprises, it's a backbone, not just a tool. So, if your business runs on big data, Informatica keeps it accurate and usable. Like the video, subscribe, and tell me what platform you want review next.